When you look at all the science and you study all of the research, it's my opinion that the best way to consistently deliver yields is with a maintenance approach to fertilization as opposed to a sufficiency-based approach. The question becomes, with regard to these two approaches, is how do we handle fertilization rates as we approach the critical level? If I fall below that critical level, I risk yield loss. In a maintenance approach, once I achieve the critical level, and I actually exceed it a little bit, I'm still recommending fertilizer. Now the reason being because I want to maintain that soil test level. So I am essentially replacing what the crop is removing. Even if the critical level is not 100% accurate, I'm going to be covered with regard to ensuring that that crop has adequate phosphorus or potassium nutrition. Now in a sufficiency-based approach, as I approach that critical level, the actual fertilizer recommendation goes to 0. But if the average says it's right at the critical, there's going to be areas in that field where it's going to actually fall below. So there's a probability that I'm losing some productivity on those areas that are below the critical because I'm not supplying fertilizer. And that represents lost productivity, lost revenue opportunity for a producer. That's why I prefer the maintenance approach. I think that maintenance approach is going to more consistently deliver yield and profitability for your operation.